CERBERUS. Early warning, smarter action, stronger crops. CERBERUS use early detection to reduce pesticide use and deliver precise, sustainable treatments. How? By combining state-of-the-art satellite imaging with IoT sensors, on-field robotic monitoring, and data provided directly by farmers, entomologists, and citizens. All this information is merged in a cloud platform that produces risk maps and AI-powered spray recommendations. The platform monitors key pests affecting vineyards, olive orchards, and citrus plantations across the Mediterranean. It is supported by an international consortium of universities, technology companies, citizen science experts, public agencies, and farmers from Italy, Cyprus, and Spain, contributing real pilot fields to validate every step. With CERBERUS, you decide, you control, and you optimize your field using clear, updated, and actionable data.